For our stay in Tokyo, we decided on the Via Inn Prime in Akasaka. We decided on this area because we thought it would be a little bit less hectic than Shinjuku, but still plenty of restaurants and bars around. It's also about a 3-minute walk from Akasaka Station, where it's got the Harry Potter themed area. You can check out my other video to see more of that. We stayed in early December 2024. It was around £85 per night, which is around $114. The hotel has a really nice entrance. It's also got onsen facilities, which I always look for when I'm booking a hotel in Japan, because the hot baths are amazing after doing a day of 20,000 steps. And even a 7-Eleven attached to the hotel, which is perfect to grab an early breakfast before you start exploring. The egg sandwiches are the best. Just turn right at the entrance for the 7-Eleven and head left towards the elevators to go up to reception. Nice to see the Christmas decorations up already. It has a nice clean lobby though, and plenty of seats to have a relax. It's self-check-in, so just head to these terminals to sort it out. But there was someone there to help us when we did have some issues. There's plenty of free amenities you can take before heading up to your room. But let's head up and see what the room's like. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the room. I think it's a good size for Tokyo. The side table did come in handy as well, if we were having a quick breakfast or an evening snack. And the TV was really big. You've also got your pyjamas and towel to go down to the onsen with. Just remember to leave all clothing in the lockers though, as no clothes are permitted in the bathing area. Always ask for a high room when booking a hotel, just so you've got the best chance of having a nice view. So that's us checked in. Over the next few days we're going to be exploring Shinjuku, Shibuya, Ginza. We're also going to be heading to Lake Kawaguchi to see Mount Fuji, and also a trip to Kamakura and Enoshima Island. So you can subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified for those videos. I'd also love to know what area you're planning to stay in when you visit Tokyo. Let me know down in the comments below.